Okay, in this demo video, I'm going to show you the presets section of our website of our app here. And so what you're going to see here is you're going to see some demos when you first log in. And so the demo would look something like this. And you would click edit, and in here you can choose the name. You can choose whatever name you'd like, the description, and you can choose your tone of voice, whether you want it to be SEO, casual, excited. We're going to add a lot more features here as well, humorous or professional. Usually for SEO purposes, we use SEO. The point of view, you can say, if you want the article to be talking about me, my, and I, or first person, second person, third person, you can choose. The country, you would just type in the country that you would want the article to be in, whether it be English or, if you put in like, I don't know, like Australia, or if you put in something like India or China, it'll output the prompts in that country's language. At the key takeaway here, you can have a key takeaway in the beginning, at the end, or you can not include the key takeaway here. There's an introduction, generate frequently asked questions, generate meta question. Right now, the YouTube suggestions not working as much as we would like it to. So right now, we're just going to turn this off. Inside the extra title prompt, this is where you would input your title prompt. And so what I'd like to do is sometimes I'd like to have like my keyword at the very beginning of my title. So I would let the AI know, put the keyword. I would say something like, make sure to put the main keyword as the in front of the title. And then you can literally do whatever you'd like to do on the title here. And this is where you would go and play around with the title prompts, the introduction, and all the presets to outputting the perfect article. The demo that you have right now, that's the prompt that we use for our articles. So you can use them. However, I'd recommend that you do modify the prompts and add your own content in there. So for example, in the introduction, we're talking about, act like a niche blogger, SEO copywriter, B2B strategist. In this case, if you're selling a t-shirt, or if you're selling B2C, then you would want to change this to business to consumer, or just talk about the mindset and things like that of what you want in the introduction. Same thing with the content. So this is the meat and potatoes here of the entire article. This is the main portion. And so you would say things like, don't forget to also include our company in there, and make sure that you talk about our services and products, and here's what we offer, yada yada. You can put that in the content prompt as well. And then you can also say, make sure at the very end that you conclude by recommending our products and services. And you would specify your company name there. Inside the meta description, again, this is for the SEO. A meta description, you can add anything you'd like in here. Make sure that the keyword is inside the meta description and things like that. What you have right now is basically just a demo of what we typically use in our articles. But once you're done with that, hit update preset. There we go. And so the presets are now set up for your blog creator. So this way you don't have to go into your blog creator, create a project, and then have to redo the presets all over and over again. This kind of saves you a lot of time. Another cool thing about the presets that you can use is you can use this for your categories. And so you have certain categories that you want certain presets on. You can basically do that as well. So it's very customizable to a lot of different things. Right now, I pretty much have the presets just for one website at a time. But again, if you're doing separate categories, you can either create the preset for the main website and then modify it in your blog creator project, or you could just do it all in here.